From the roadways to the airports, the potential for snow and ice may have you rethinking your travel plans. Now, if you've bought travel insurance, you may be in luck when it comes to refunds, but there are still some things you need to think about. Winter storms leave travelers uncertain and frustrated.
They reschedule us for tomorrow, but there's no guarantees they won't cancel that one.
Major delays with de-icing for an hour. It's been just a survival mode.
While travel insurance can't change the path of a winter storm, it can help protect your finances if Mother Nature makes a mess of your trip.
During winter months like this, where a storm could pop up, we would highly recommend purchasing travel insurance.
Rupa Mehta is the chief executive officer of the travel insurance company Squaremouth. She says many insurance policies provide coverage if travel is significantly impacted by winter weather. A comprehensive plan can help cover non-refundable costs like flights, hotels, and tours.
There are also often benefits like travel delay coverage that can reimburse you for meals, hotels, transportation.
However, this only applies to policies purchased before the winter storm was announced.
Getting the insurance as early as possible once you book your trip is critical.
Coverage for trip cancellation varies by policy, but you're likely covered under these scenarios. If an airline or airport shuts down, if you've been in an accident on the way to the airport, if a storm has caused damage to where you've booked your trip. Common exclusions include foreseeable events like a named hurricane and fears or concern about weather. And each provider sets its own stipulations for how long a delay must last before coverage kicks in. So consider travel insurance benefits or risk paying out of pocket. That way you don't waste your money. John Matarese, Scripps News Group.